Thinking about Raman spectroscopy, you might wonder, what is Raman really good at? Well, that's the topic for today's episode of Raman TV. Raman spectroscopy measures the vibrational pattern of molecules. And just like you can recognize a person from a distance by their walk, so you can identify molecules by their unique vibrational patterns. Identification of unknown samples is certainly the key strength of Raman spectroscopy. But Raman actually comes with an additional benefit, just by the way it is done. See, with Raman you can fire a laser at your sample, and the information that you want is contained in the light that scatters back at you on its own automatically. That means you don't need to touch the sample. There is no sample preparation, no specific measurement cell. Heck, the sample can still be in its original container. And that container does not even have to be transparent. The laser will go right through the wall. Well, unless it's a steel drum, of course. So no prep needed. Make sample identification real quick and easy. A completely different benefit of Raman spectroscopy stems from the fact that water does not have much of a Raman signal within the region that is most interesting for identification, which is called the fingerprint region. So if your sample is in water, say in aqueous solution or anything biological, with Raman we will just see your sample without the water. So there you have it, 3 areas that Raman spectroscopy is really good at. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Raman TV.